Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 5 using elements from the paper pumpkin kit for June called Life is Sweet. So I've got one of the card bases from the kit and I wanted to do a fruit bowl. So I cut off one of the envelopes and embossed it with the Layered Florals 3D embossing folder, but it really kind of just blended into the background. So I scrapped that idea and I used one of the pieces of vellum. It's one of the backgrounds, and I embossed it with the folder, and it made me think of that late 80s, early 90s embossed glass. I think I had the punch bowl and the salad bowl and all of that. So that's what this reminded me of. So I put some adhesive dots on the back, and I've tried to put them where the embossing is so they don't show quite so much, but we're just going to put this on. And in the video you can probably see the hello. I took my dark bubble bath blend and I just dabbed it. I didn't want to like color it because it's kind of abrasive, so I just dot to color in that hello so that it showed up better. And we'll try them both, but I'm putting this down on the card like so. And because I put those vellum, or put the adhesive dots on the flowers, you really can't see them, but this is still held down fairly securely. Now we just need to layer in our fruit. So we've got a nice fruit bowl here, and I'm just going to just pop that in just at the top there like that. And then I'm going to pop this one in over here. Again, just high enough that the leaves don't extend past the top of the card. And then I'm going to pop these cherries in like this. Actually, I think I'm just going to put the peaches in first. So I'm just flat mounting everything, except when I get to the end, I'm going to dimensionalize one of the cherries. I'm going to pop that in like that. And then these are the cherries that I've already put adhesive on. So I'm going to pop those in like that. And then this one, I'm going to put adhesive on the back of that one. And I'm going to put just a couple little dimensionals on this one like that. And then I need to peel these off before I put this down. We're going to pop this one in underneath like that, and then we're just going to dimensionalize this so that it's kind of coming just over the top of the bowl. And then see, I tried just the hello like this, and that actually, it looks okay, but when we put this one on, you can really see it. I'm not thrilled with the effect of this, but I like that you can see it more than you can see this one. So it would be your choice, whichever one you want to use. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to pull my mini dimensionals out again. And we'll pop one in there like that. One in there like that. And maybe we'll pop one in like that. And then that's all the greeting we're going to put on this one. But super quick card, nice way to use up some of the die cuts from the kit. And I'm just going to pop this down at the bottom like this instead of having it up on the bowl. So we've got our late 80s, early 90s glass bowl with our fruit in it and our hello greeting. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for that last alternative card tomorrow.